Okay, so right here I have a task, and the task is to replace the brake pad in this under accord. First thing to do is to take off the tire. I've already done that. Holding the brake caliper in position. Take that off and you squeeze, and then this is the caliper. Comes out. The brake pads. Okay, brake pads comes out. These brake pads are really due for replacement. Okay, so I'm going to replace them with new ones. These are under brake pads, or brake pads for under vehicles. Specifically this model, you can see this. Okay, this is for the inside and this is outside. So if you are doing this, always remember the pad with this and this protrusion goes sits inside, while this other one, the second half of it, is for the outside. Okay, it's a very simple process. Okay. Now another thing that you might need to do is to screw this the piston. You have to screw it in, because right here you can see it's out. You can see it's out, so you have to screw it to go in a bit so that the new pad can sit in properly. Okay, there are specialized tools for that, but I'm just going to use a spanner with a screwdriver in this manner. Okay, put it across it. Then I'll seal that through. Then you turn, moves gradually. It's moving. Okay, turn again, moves. See, it's moving. Just keep turning until it goes in completely. Remember, at this point the brake fluid reservoir is open. That is, I've opened up the cover for the brake fluid reservoir. So as I'm turning, there will be a back push of brake fluid back into the reservoir. So always open the brake fluid reservoir before attempting this process. Otherwise it might be very stiff and the movement will not be free. Okay, still moving. Okay, so still moving. if you have this specialized tool for turning this, you can go ahead and use it, or you can just improvise. Some persons will just use only a screwdriver, put it on the face and turn it. That works too. If you have any other method that you think can work for you, go ahead and try it. For me, using this is actually a 12 millimeter spanner that I'm using, and it's working. Keep turning until okay, it's still moving. Keep turning. Okay, right about now the movement is difficult, so just one more attempt. Okay, so it's no longer moving. So next up, I have to clean. I don't like to apply any fluid around the brake pad, so I'm just going to clean off the dust. Okay, just make sure to clean the surfaces very well. Just clean the surfaces properly. If you have any need, you want to apply sandpaper, it's okay, but for me, I think it's pretty okay for the new installation. These are the new brake pads. Remember, the one with the brake pad with this and this, it's for the inside. So see, that goes inside, right inside. Then this is for the outside. Okay, just tap it into position. That's all you need. Okay, then this can now comfortably get on position. Okay.
They seem to change.
I always like to apply some bit of anti-seize to this. It's always a good idea to avoid fighting with it when next you have to take it out. Just a little bit of anti-seize to both bolts. It helps to eliminate that fighting experience. Okay, so tighten firmly, and that will be all. Okay, the new brake pad is properly installed, and the caliper housing is also mounted back. Quick check, everything is okay. That's the new brake pad. So my tax here is done. Thank you.